Once the fiber is ready, it will be placed into housing after 2 inspection procedures and followed with sealing, potting, and another 2 inspections, as we affectionately call it, make it or break it. It's where all the individual components that we've manufactured get to be tested, both for reliability and integrity, to make sure they're safe, but also perform at peak performance. After the above 4 inspection procedures, the end cap of the dialyzer will be screwed or welded according to the requirements. Again, we will inspect it to check the tightness of the end cap to prevent clinical blood and liquid leakage.